volume formula is capital B, capital H, where B is the area formula for the base. We have a regular polygon with 20 sides for our base. So if we look just at our base, we're going to use the formula 1/2 SAN. And let's look at the reference triangle for this regular 20-sided polygon. So if we wanted to calculate this angle right here, it's 360 divided by the number of sides, so 360 over 20, and we get that to be 18 degrees. Okay? And if we know that the length of each side is 6.47, when we start to write out these values, 1/2, 6.47, the A value we're not sure of yet, but the N value is 20. So we need to find this altitude right here. So when we calculate this value, we cut the side in half. So if we take 6.47 divided by 2, each of these sides is 3.235. And this angle is going to be 1/2 of this measure here. So 1/2 of 18 is 9 degrees. And so now we can set up our trig ratio. We have an angle, an opposite leg, and an adjacent leg. Opposite and adjacent are related by the trig ratio tangent. So we know that the tangent of 9 degrees is going to equal 3.235 over the adjacent A. And now we just solve for A here. So if we multiply both sides by A to get it out of the denominator, divide by tan of 9 degrees to get A completely alone, and that is our value that we can plug in right here. So 3.235 over tan of 9 degrees. And so now if we calculate this whole value, that'll give us our area of the base. So if we take 1/2 times 6.47 times this number, 3.235, divided by the tangent of 9 degrees, and then all times 20, the number of sides. So that's going to give us an area of 1321.5 approximately. So if we plug that in right here, 1321.5, and we multiply that by the height of the prism itself, 8.7, we can go ahead and calculate that. And this gives us our solution of approximately 11497.02. Okay, the units would be centimeters. It's a volume, so it's cubic centimeters.